Hello, my name is Dr. Pono. So today will be discussing the continuation of our subject. So let me share now our topic on business operation. So today we will be discussing internal factors and their importance in business strategy. So here it is. So what are the internal factors that affects the organization and its importance? So internal factors are elements within business that influence its operation, capabilities, and strategic decisions. This includes companies' resources, financial resources, management method, materials, culture, the nature of the people, the leadership, the one that governs, operation system, the setup, and internal processes. It's how they do the things, including the technology. So these are the internal factors. Number one, establishing business capabilities. Importance, recognizing internal strength and weakness enables a business to determine what it can realistically achieve and where improvements are needed. Example, human resources, company with skilled employees and strong leadership. Technology infrastructure, including the IT streamline operation, reduce costs and enhance productivity. Financial resources, the capability of the company to carry out this activity with the use of money. Application SWOT analysis, they can apply it, strength, weaknesses, opportunity to evaluate the internal strength and weaknesses. Capabilities assessment, guide decision and entering new markets or launching new products. Another is a supporting strategic intent, its importance. Internal factor determine how well a business can be executed its strategic intent, organizational term vision and objectives, including the environment factors. Example, organizational culture that supports innovation. Risk-taking aligns well with growth-oriented strategy. Leadership. Visionary leadership ensures that strategies are aligned with internal capabilities and employee motivation. So the application is a resource-based view, supports using internal strengths as a basis for strategy formulation. Strategic alignment tools like balance scorecard. They, uh, they create internal capabilities with strategic goals. Another thing is in the planning for future. So most company, their leader is looking for this one. So the life, just like a human, no? We need to live longer. So also the corporation. Internal factor shapes how business prepares for growth, peace, innovation, and sustainability. Example, innovation capabilities. Firms with strong R&D departments are better positioned to adapt future technological uh, changes. No, when technology changes, for example, before in the network is 1G, now 4G, then 5G. So how the system can cope with this one? So training development business that invest in employee development, build a resilient and future-ready workforce. So company needs to develop their leader. So just like your children, develop them until they become self-sustainable. Same with the employee. The manager taken from the lower through training, relentless training, scenario application, scenario planning, and internal audits. Use internal data to prepare for future opportunities and threats. Workforce planning ensures long-term talent alignment with a strategic base. Okay, so these are the internal factors. So by the way, I don't use video UI because it's more on uh, the network's very slow, and then I cannot do the recording. Pardon, maybe when I have a good signal, we will do video. Actually, this is my video. If you want, okay, that's me. But again, it will slow down the network. Okay, we'll continue on the next section. Thank you for having with me.